Hello, welcome to Leonsol Infoware, ERP solution provider company. Today we are looking to generate a elevator quotation, new lift quotation in this software. So मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि इसमें से न्यू लिफ्ट कोटेशन कैसे बनाते हैं. First of all, you go to sales inquiry. In the inquiry, you will able to see the add new inquiry button. You can able to see here many inquiries are displaying here. So I am generating a new inquiry now. New inquiry में generate कर रहा हूँ. Click on add new inquiry. तो add new inquiry का फॉर्म यहाँ पर ओपन हो गया. नंबर ऑफ डेट आ गया ऑटोमेटिक, करंट डेट. यूनिट डाल रहा हूँ टू क्लाइंट नेम इंपीरियल प्लाजा, इंक्वायरी सोर्स अदर, प्रोजेक्ट नेम सेम, सिटी राजकोट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट राजकोट, पिन कोड, स्टेट नेम, साइट एड्रेस नियर नाना महुआ सर्कल, सेम साइट एड्रेस, contact person Krishna, number. All the other thing is optional, it's not a mandatory. So I am saving. I just saved one inquiry, Imperial Plaza, and redirect it to the lift specification. It is the lift specification here. रेफरेंस नंबर आ गया, डेट आ गया. फ्लोर डालता हूँ मैं G+6, नंबर ऑफ पैसेंजर 6, 408, लिफ्ट टाइप कैप्सूल लिफ्ट, गुड लिफ्ट, पैसेंजर लिफ्ट, विला होम, हॉस्पिटल. You can add a new lift type here. Custom option is there. Heading passenger lift. Number of stops आ गया, opening आ गया. You can able to edit this. You can able to change it. Speed 4.8 or 10.6. Machine type gearless. meter per second, 6 meter per second. Select opening side, same. Door type auto. Door material mild steel powder coated. I am adding one more. SS door. I am selecting SS door. Collective system, control panel, roping system. rope diameter आ गया, 8 rope diameter 8 you can able to change it. rope number of rope automatic आ गया. You can also able to change all the things. RCC cabin finish SS. So you can add all this technical specification of a lift specification. You can add a hostway wide, hostway deep. Okay, now I am just saving it. Landing entrance, car entrance. I am adding and just saving and save and proceed to quotation. Product general specification saved successfully. Wait, we are processing you to create quotation. So here is door, auto door cost, auto door lift cost. So auto door lift cost 15 lakhs. I am inputting 25,000. 15 lakhs. Let me input some valid thing. 15 lakhs 50,000. Tax 18%. Payment terms. Here is the payment terms. Add. I am adding the payment terms here. 50% advance. Add one more. %. Post get approval. %. After installation inspection. You can also set your default payment terms from the setting. So whatever default payment terms you will be set, it will be automatically reflecting in the quotation. Okay, तो ये quotation बन गया. Here is the quotation preview. See here, टोटल प्राइस आ गया टिक्स के साथ. ये मेन फीचर्स आ गया, सेफ्टी फीचर्स आ गया, एंड यू कैन एबल टू रिमूव इट फ्रॉम हियर. मेन फीचर, सेफ्टी फीचर, बाय डिफॉल्ट ऑल इज क्लिक्ड. You can manage by yourself. You can manage all the things from settings. मैं इसको निकाल रहा हूँ. सेव 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 सेव, इट्स रिमेन टू सेव। यहाँ मैं सेव करना भूल गया, आई जस्ट सेव। जब ये नो हो गया, इट्स नो, इट्स यस एंड इट्स नो। So you can manage by yourself here. It is a CK editor, it's given here. If you want to change something, you can able to do it. You can, all the things is dynamics from coming from the settings. You can able to see manage this. Okay. We do provide extra customization formats in the quotations for quotation setting for the quotation customization. So I am just going to back to products. Here all products are available. See, I am clicking my inquiry, Imperial Plaza, and search. So here my quotation is coming G+6, 6 passenger, 408 kg load, passenger lift, full collective, 10 speed. Status approve, unapprove, on hold, cancelled. Now I am showing you how to manage the order. Here is a one quotation, 1,82,000, 9,000, sorry, 18,29,000 including tax. Here is a print that we have showed to you. Here is a quotation print. Both are same. Now I am showing you how to convert to order. Here is a button, convert to order. Means customer has confirmed this order and I just clicking convert to order. So are you sure? Do you want to finalize quotation? Auto door, yes. This is the ordered quotation. Here first is Imperial Plaza. It is the Imperial Plaza detail page. You can able to see all lift configuration, features, all features here. And all payment terms, 50% advance, 30% advance. You can record payment from here. I am just recording the payment. See, 50% calculations automatically comes here, 7,50,000. If payment comes NEFT cash, सेव। This payment is recorded. Here you can see payment is received on 10/3 and it is the payment receipt. It's exclusive TDS. You can edit from here. Okay, now order is confirmed. Now I am showing you how to manage the inventory. Back to order quotation. Here is the inventory menu. Here is quotation number 31021-272. Before inventory we will go to the requisitions. Inventory, go to requisitions. अगर कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट जनरेट होता है, रिक्विजिशन जनरेट होता है तो यहाँ पर आएगा वो। रिक्विजिशन कैसे जनरेट होगा कि आपका थ्रेशोल्ड आइटम का थ्रेशोल्ड क्वांटिटी और स्टॉक रजिस्टर का बैलेंस क्वांटिटी, अगर थ्रेशोल्ड क्वांटिटी बैलेंस क्वांटिटी से कम हो जाता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसका एक रिक्विजिशन जनरेट हो जाता है। ठीक है, आप यहाँ मल्टीपल सिलेक्ट करके सीधा एक पीओ जनरेट कर सकते हैं। तो सीधा सीधा एक रेज पीओ हो जाता है। उसके बाद आपका आएगा GRN, उसके बाद MDN। ठीक है, पूरा डिटेल्स में समझने के लिए हमारा नेक्स्ट वीडियो आएगा, उसमें से आप देख सकते हैं इन्वेंटरी का पूरा वीडियो, जिसे आप पता लगा सकते हैं कि कैसे काम करता है। ठीक है।